Hello, we are West Canada Engineering, and our project is on asphalt shingle recycling. The incentive to recycle shingles composed mainly of asphalt has risen in the last few years due to their typically high level of popularity and usage in North America. This has resulted in higher disposal costs for traditional methods like landfilling. An asphalt shingle will not decompose for up to 300 years. As a result, landfill space is steadily on the decline and consumer landfill prices are on the incline. These high dumping costs and seemingly wasteful practices have given engineers a new problem to solve. That being, can asphalt shingles be recycled instead of discarded? The goal here at West Canada Engineering was simple: find an economically feasible and financially prosperous method to effectively recycle these shingles into usable products. The need for feasible recycling methods is at an all-time high, since asphalt shingles will only continue to take up space in our landfills.
West Canada Engineering will have logistics of re-roofing jobs planned over the city and will bring such waste to facility using fleet of trucks. First, we'll separate the components which are non-recyclable in the context of this project, like wood, paper, and nails. These will be sent to facilities that are equipped with handling such materials. Next, the asphalt and aggregate will be disassociated. From here, the streams will take two routes. The solid components will be grinded and upgraded to produce RAS or recycled asphalt shingles. The second stream of oil will go through a distillation column to produce fuel oil.
Going into the design with a little more detail, in order to separate any non-shingle components, we start by removing the floating waste such as the wood scraps. The shingles are then sent to the magnetic separator where nails and other materials will be removed from the process. Next, the shingles are then sent to the diesel spray tank where the oil is stripped off the shingle. The oil and diesel mixture are then sent to a heater and fractionator column where we will separate the fuel oil and the diesel. The diesel gets recycled back into our wash package and the fuel oil is prepared to be sold. At the same time, the clean shingles are being sent to the crusher grinder package and will be upgraded with an asphaltene additive to be used in road construction.
Our project is made for the purpose of targeting two separate markets to sell our final products to. The first of the two markets, and most profitable, is for marine fuel oil, which can then be used to power large shipping containers crossing overseas. With our creation, this will produce a way to lessen the harm on the environment while increasing profits for this plant. The second target market is to sell our recycled asphalt to be used to be filled in cracks on roadways. This is incredibly useful environmentally and economically, as there will be less need to manufacture new asphalt with new materials and instead utilize previously used asphalt on a part of roads that would be difficult to find time and funds to repair otherwise.
Consumers will not only feel proud of the fact that they're being responsible citizens, but they'll also save money as we'll charge less than the city of Calgary, which being $2.93 per ton. Shingle manufacturers can add our ROS as a percent mix for the producing of new shingles, and hence they can also save money by reducing their energy and material requirements.
West Canada Engineering is confident that our shingle recycling process can have a positive impact on our society, both environmentally and socially. Our design process accounts for finding beneficial methods of recycling and energy recovery from roofing waste. This would not only reduce the amount of waste landfills, but would also conserve resources by providing alternative fuels to replace fossil fuels. In addition to the environmental and resource conservation benefits of recycling asphalt shingle waste, development of recycling alternatives would have a positive economic impact on our society by providing cost-effective alternatives for roofing contractors and providing new growth opportunities for independent businesses in the sector. Thank you.